This lesson is on the human male reproductive system. The functions of the male reproductive system are to make sperm to carry the genetic material and to transport that sperm that will eventually fertilize an egg. The structure of a sperm cell is that of the head, the tail, which is this flagellum here, so that it can move, the nucleus, which contains the genetic material, so that will be the father's half of the genetic material that will combine with the egg to make our total number of chromosomes, and then the midpiece. And in that midpiece would be a lot of mitochondria because the tail needs a lot of energy in order to move the sperm to reach the egg. The structures of the male reproductive system are as follows. As we see from the side view, we can see the large intestine and the rectum. Now, those aren't part of the reproductive system, but they're joined close to it. So we mention them so that you can see where those structures fall in relation to the reproductive organs. We'll start with the glands. There's the seminal vesicle, which is up here, and that's going to secrete a lot of fluid, which will make up the semen so that the sperm can move, the prostate gland, and the bulbourethral glands. So all of these are going to secrete fluids. One will secrete fluid so that the semen is actually going to become more alkaline or more basic, and the main job is to secrete fluids that will have nutrients for the sperm to survive, as well as a liquid medium so that the sperm can swim. Next, the epididymis and the testes. The testes are where sperm is going to be made. That's the site of gametogenesis. Sperm is a gamete, so we say the making of gametes is gametogenesis, and the sperm will be stored in the epididymis, which surrounds the testes. And the testes and epididymis are held in the scrotum, which is basically a sac of skin outside of the body. Now, it's outside the body so that the testes stay at a lower temperature than our 98.6, our normal body temperature, because they need to be slightly cooler so that sperm production can take place. Now, the penis is the organ which the sperm will move through, and the urethra is the actual tube within the penis that sperm moves through and leaves the body. And the vas deferens is the duct leading from the epididymis, so that's where the sperm is held, and the sperm will travel through the epididymis into the urethra. And then the pubic bone, and we see the urinary bladder is going to be up here as well. Again, that's not part of the reproductive system, but it's very close to those reproductive organs.